Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, October 5th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm really late again today. I attended a political rally, and I was involved with that all day long today, so I'm getting in this really late, but I'll still get it done. I called the Dow up for today, and it did in fact go up. The Dow went up 112 points, and even though we only had 4 positions, we had a spectacular day on our exits. We exited profitably over $24,000 in winning trades with only 4 positions. The bulk of that was in one stock, unbelievably, and I will show you that in just a second. The problem that we have is I'm looking at this chart, and the way things have been going, I got to call the Dow down for tomorrow. I just don't see it any other way. I mean, it's doing this down one day, up one day, and I think it's going to go down tomorrow. And I also didn't like this sell-off here right at the end of the day. So I got to call the Dow down for tomorrow. Here's the big problem that has me a little worried right now. We got into 25 positions. I mean, just a whole boatload of positions today. And only 8 are positive, 17 are negative, and we're holding negative $5,500. Now, the $5,500 negative isn't what bothers me. After, closing out 24,000, negative 5,000 is no big deal, but if we have 25 positions and this thing really goes south hard on the open tomorrow, we could wipe out that $24,000 in profits in the flick of an eye, believe me. We just have an awful lot of positions and we need things to go right. So I hope I'm wrong on my call tomorrow and this thing moves higher, because that way we can get out of these 25 positions with maybe just a small loss. And that isn't going to dent us at all. But this thing goes soft hard tomorrow, right on the open, we're going to be hurting. Anyway, I worry a lot. Hey, if you're a trader, you're always worrying about the markets. Let me show you 3 of the trades. This first one was a good trade that we got into today. This is CSIQ, Canadian Solar. We jumped into this first hour and it just really kept going very nicely. We're holding almost $2,000 in Canadian Solar open trade. By the way, this was the best out of all 25 trades. This is the best one. So yeah, it looks pretty good, but we only had one of those. That's part of the problem. On our closed out trades, as I say, we did super well, and this was one of the good trades. This is Advaxis. Entered it yesterday, second hour, and it actually gapped up a little for us this morning, and we took $3,200, $3,200 out of Advaxis positive. But this was the granddaddy of them all. We just haven't seen a trade like this in quite a while. This is JDST, which is our gold bear stock. It's a leverage stock, gold bear. And 3 days ago we bought this thing. Almost bought the high tick of the day. Looked like a terrible trade. Was against us over 2,000 on the close. Then we gave this humongous gap up yesterday, which of course keeps us in, and the thing just kept going. and we're holding big profits. Yesterday on the close, it opens down. It opens down today, but then it just shoots up and gets us out beautifully here, and we take 20 grand. That's $20,000 positive out of our Gold Bear stock. What a trade. We haven't had a $20,000 trade in quite a while. So on balance, it was a good day. I'm just worried about tomorrow with 25 positions. Anyway, we'll just have to see how it goes. So this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.